โคตรนอนเลย
Peter?
Gwen, you okay?
I don't know. I have to stay at Oscorp till we find an antidote. We can't risk spreading the infection to the outside.
I know someone who can help.
Be careful, Pete. Dr. Smythe is programming his robots to capture all cross-species. That may include you.
Whoa! What is that? Huh. I think I'm gonna love this phone.
As you can see, the creature has stopped its rampage in the center of the park. Now that we can have a good look, we can confirm this is not the same reptilian creature that recently terrorized Manhattan. Strangely, it's... Get to the helicopter!
Okay, Smythe. This is a little bit of overkill.
Cross-species detected. Engage.
This is not good! A giant robot like that should have a giant weakness, too. Laser beams can cut through anything, including me. How about that? Aw, feeling a little vulnerable. I need to get out of here. It's now or never. I gotta hit this guy. How about that? Gotta strike one. That's high. Oops. Did I damage your guidance system, or was it something you ate? I gotta stop this thing once and for all. Let's see. Motorized joints help it get around. Yeah. last words before I put you in the scrapyard? And here it comes. Open your mouth.